this case consider the issue of manslaughter, and whether or not the willful neglect of a child that led to the child's death automatically resulted in the crime of manslaughter. In this case, a man was convicted of manslaughter on the basis that he willfully neglected his child, which resulted in the child dying of dehydration. The judge had directed the jury that manslaughter could be based on the willful neglect of the child if that willful neglect caused the death of the child. In other words, that if they found him guilty of willful neglect, then they should also find him guilty of manslaughter. The man appealed on the basis that the judge had misdirected the jury. He argued that in order to constitute manslaughter, the willful neglect must be such as to intend to cause death from such neglect, and that he did not have such an intent. Therefore, the central issue was whether or not the willful neglect must be associated with an intent to cause death in order to amount to manslaughter. The court ultimately held that the